In this video, we're going to manual reset Canon PIXMA G2010 series printer, fixing P07 error, 5B00 error, and also black ink is not working, so we're gonna fix that. Here you'll see the green light and red light is blinking, and also in the screen is P07. So we need our printer to go to service mode, and then for us to do that, first step, turn off the power button. Next is press and hold the power button and click the stop button 6 times. Then release the power button. Let's wait until the green light becomes stable or steady. Then once it becomes stable, the printer is now in service mode. Now we're in service mode, we need to check our current ink wasting counter. For us to do that, press stop button for 3 times, then press the power button once. The printer will print the data. Just wait for a while. But since the black ink in our printer is not working right now, we can see the data. But we will fix that later. Next is we need to reset the printer's waste ink counter press. The step is press stop button for 5 times and then press power button once. Once successful, you'll get the printout, but our ink is not working. Then last step is turn off and then turn on your printer. Tada! This means that we've successfully manually reset our printer. So now we're going to fix the black ink because it's not working. I guess it's clogged since we can print anything in black. I'm going to try printing a document using different colors to see if it's just the black that is not working or all of them. So here's the result. Only the black ink didn't print out, but the other colors showed up just fine. Now let's go to the printer setting, then go to the maintenance section and choose the ink flash setting. Since only the black ink is a problem, we will select black only and then just wait for a minute. Okay, now let's try to print again. So now the result is all the colors are now working. This means that there really was a clog in the black ink, since it was the only color not printing and the ink flush fixed the problem. Okay, now that the black ink is now working, let's go ahead and do the steps for resetting the printer again. It is just to check if the reset we did earlier actually worked, and also to see the updated data. So here's the result for our current ink wasting counter. The D equals 10.0. D stands for waste ink counter. Then this result, the 000.0, means we've successfully reset our printer, our waste ink counter po. Now it's all working and we fixed all the problem, the P07 and 5B00. I hope this video helps you too with your printer problem, and thank you so much for watching. Bye!